Okay, it's time for another short odds and ends video. Uh, I want to show you a tester for the digital displays that I'm working on. So I just want, I've turned the ISO way down so that the lights don't overdrive the camera, and I'm just letting you watch the displays. So it has two modes right now. You're watching the blink mode. I'm just testing the blink line, so I just set all the digits uh, to, and then I let them blink, and I toggle the blink line once a second. And now it's in the scrolling mode where it just runs each of the different digits and scrolls them down the screen. Now it's back to the blink mode again. It runs each of these modes for 20 seconds and it repeats over and over again. And that is all there is to the test for right now. Now let me bring the light level back up and I'll show you the tester and how it's hooked up. Okay, so I've got the light turned on a lot brighter now. You can start seeing some flicker now because of the settings. To the human eye, of course, those flickers aren't there at all. So the first thing I want to show you is that I do have a connector. Well, that's actually a couple of connectors on the back, just like Bally uses to connect up their regular boards with. And the signals are exactly the same as Bally's signals, except for the high voltage pin isn't there, so you can't actually drive the high voltage displays with this tester. And then the actual unit, and I'm going to turn this down just to get rid of that annoying flashing light. Let me refocus this here. Okay, so this tester is built with an STM32 microprocessor, just a little bit of code in it. And I originally tried to run all the pins down one side, and it turns out that two of those pins are the USB pins, so I had to move those, and I moved them to the other side right here. I have this taped down, so I can't really flip it over and show you the other side. But I'm probably going to also move some more lines around, I think. Well, let me tell you what I want to do. I want to put a tester, I want to make this tester double as a display tester and as an LED string tester. So I need to find the pins I need for driving those LEDs, which is the SPI bus lines, and make sure that those are available, and put a connector on here to drive those. And then I want to add some buttons so I can select which test I want to run, and stuff like that. And I'll probably 3D print a little case to hold it all in. Before I quit, I just wanted to show you that we do have some of these professionally built by Wolfpack Tech displays, and these are awesome displays. And if you want to buy some, I can highly recommend them. We've had them in our one unit for about 2 years now, I think, and they work absolutely perfectly. Have a nice orange color to them. I'm going to move my tester over here from my homemade board over to their board just to show you that it works on that also. Okay, so I've got it hooked up to that tester. You can see I plugged the plugs in back there, and it's running through the test. Let me drop the ISO down so it darkens it up so you can see the digits a little better. Okay, so I think you can kind of make out the orange. The camera still does not do justice to what it looks like to the naked eye. This has a beautiful pumpkin orange color. It almost exactly matches what the Bally's original color on their high voltage displays was. And we are ordering some orange LEDs in this color to put on our boards also. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that as I get farther along on in this tester, I will go ahead and give you guys an update.